Debbie. There's the Synergy WFO 15.
Okay. Did you build this? You and your husband?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah,
Sixth order, wow.
All our stuff together, yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
You like Debbie's build? Doing good?
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
Super windy by the port.
Oh, yeah. I haven't ever heard it, so I'm about to hear it.
Yeah. Good luck. You'll like it.
Yes, sir. Can I come in, Debbie?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, solid door. So, info and all first, I do on YouTube videos, as you know.
Yeah.
Wow, I think last time I heard your system 2 years ago was when you had just 215s. Wow,
Yeah.
okay. It's been a while.
I was in the Edge.
Yes, it's been a while. So what's your name? What's in here? Well, Debbie, I know your name. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
my name's Debbie. There's the Synergy WFO 15.
Okay.
You can get those at G2 Dynamics or Synergy.
Very nice. Did you build this? You and your husband?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah,
Sixth
we
order,
built
wow.
all our stuff together, yeah.
Did a really good job. Was that a 10-inch port or a 12?
10.
10. Wow. Do you know your tunings on the sixth order?
No.
You know? Okay. How low do you play, frequency-wise? What's your limit?
I stay between the 20s and like low 30s.
30s. Okay. I like that. That's a heart.
Yeah.
Sorry. Little things.
It was a Valentine's Day present.
Yeah, okay. And what's your lithium and electrical for your alternator?
I have 135 lithium, and I have 2 alternators.
Okay. You don't know? It's all good. Oh wow, a lot brighter. How you doing?
I'm following you to a program since I get down to see you on YouTube.
Yes sir, Jacob.
Jacob, yep.
Yes sir.
Yep.
What's your name, man? Marcus, all right.
Yeah, man, I'm always following you.
There you are. I love cardio. Huh? Yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah, I'm doing a video on this one in a minute, yeah.
Okay.
Yes sir. Nice to meet you, thank you for watching. Yes sir. Hey, how you doing? All right, well, I'm ready to hear it. Sure, man. Awesome. I like it. Okay.
So fuck
Wow. You did a good job on the wind. It really messes your hair up, yeah. Yeah. I appreciate it. It sounds really good, really musical. I'm sure you got really good bandwidth on it too, so thank you for showing me, Debbie. Nice to meet you again. Yes, ma'am.